So today in Billy's shop, Mr. Tom Gardy with Riding on a Budget, an awesome YouTube channel, is going to instruct me on how to replace a chain on a 1972 Honda XL250.
Really, putting a chain on is pretty straightforward, but really it's a two-man operation to keep from scratching the frame up. Okay. One guy has to feed the chain while the other guy loops around the primary sprocket and brings it back through. So I'll feed, you loop.
Okay.
All right?
That's good.
That's good. Perfect. We don't want to mess up Angela's brand new paint job on this. Doing great. Doing great. Going around so that will go to the top of the sprocket. That's good. Perfect. Okay. Now we have an approximate length. We'll have to grind one of the stud heads off and then knock the link out, and then we put the master link and put it all back together.
Instead of grinding it, could we use a chain breaker?
Well, we're going to have to get, if it'll push that head through, we can, but generally you grind the heads off, but let's try it. I've never done it that way.
Well, don't we have to grind the head first?
Yeah, you grind the head off of this part first. Okay. But first we got to figure out which one to take off.
Yeah. We need a marker of some kind.
Well, I'm trying to get this guy there. If we take this one out right here, the master link should go right there. You agree with me?
I agree.
Okay, and that gives us about the right slack.
Mm-hmm.
Right. The head off of this pin, and then we're going to take the chain breaker and we're going to push the pin through. And you have to make sure you got this at the right spot, because if you oops on this, then you've got a problem and you've ruined your chain. We'll have to go get some more master links to make up the distance. That got it. Okay, I've got your chain breaker set to the right size, so go ahead. Now that's hot, so be careful not to touch it with your finger. Maybe grind on something that's going to be hot. There you go.
Down in the wrench.
Yeah, down in the wrench.
Yeah. What's that look like?
Too small.
14.
It's got to be bigger than 12. There you go. Right, rock and roll.
You see it moving already.
Is that good? Man,
Let's go.
is it going?
Really, really well.
That means the head's going compressed.
Right, stop now.
Yeah, go ahead and get it over. It's got to come all the way out. There you go. And drive it all the way through.
You sure? All right, so doing that in the wilderness would not be fun.
No, there ain't no way you're going to do that out on the trail. Okay.
Yay!
We push the pin out of an entire link. Okay, we got both sides of that link. And you'll notice that that master link has both sides in it. So all we have to do is now put the chain back together, put the master link to join the two links together, and you're done. Okay, got it there. Okay, good. Hold it.
There is no top or bottom.
No, but there is a way to put the clip in. It's very important.
Right. It's got to be facing the right
It's
direction.
got to be facing the right direction.
Right. There is. You want the
Not
letters
for that.
out.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter for that. It's the clip that's critical. Okay.
All right. So I need special pliers. Right?
Okay, now, the clip.
Okay.
The clip must always face the direction of travel. If you put it this way, and that's the direction of travel, it's going to come off. So you always want it on like this, where that's the way it's traveling. So it's got to go on like that, Billy. Okay?
Good.
Get a regular pliers. I've never had a master link fail. Okay, so this is pretty much an accepted.
Pretty
yeah,
much.
that's fine. Yeah, that's the right thing. Okay, rock and roll. That's exactly right. How'd you know to get those?
Well, I read.
You do. Once again, proving the point, you got to have the right tool to do the job right.
Well, I ain't got it done yet. This is what I really want to be doing.
This is one of the most tedious things to do on a bike. Is put the master clip on right.
Why is it so hard to... I'm doing something wrong.
No, you're doing it right. No, don't push it together like that. How about a regular pair of pliers? That's what I've always used. Sometimes I'll take a hammer and a flat punch. There you go. One good smack and it'll all pop right on.
Ready?
Ready. Don't get much better than that.
That was a lot easier than trying to deal with those pliers.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
How much slack you got in the chain? Oh, that's perfect.
It looks pretty freaking awesome.
Yeah.
And it's a gold chain. Because I'm a gold chain kind of guy. All right.